Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, we are actually off-site from the detail garage location. We have no access to water, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to properly wash your car using zero water, using Swift-Wipe Waterless Car Wash. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, because we post brand new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I don't want you to miss out on this amazing content we produce every single week. Anyways, let's get back into this video. As you guys can see, I have this dusty, dirty car right here under this tent. The reason why I have it under this tent is just because I want to use it while the surface is cool to touch. So like this, you have the best reaction from the chemical and you have the best cleaning process. So by using this product, one, you're going to uplift dirt, grime, debris, fingerprints, and more away from the surface of the vehicle. So it's gonna be a full cycle wash just in a singular sprayer bottle. So Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash is a waterless wash technique. That's one, it's going to remove all the dirt and grime like I told you guys, but it's also going to enhance shine and protection. So it actually has a synthetic polymer that's going to bring back a vibrant shine to your car, whether it's blue, black, yellow, green. It's going to bring back an amazing shine, amazing reflection with a single spray and wipe. The choice of towel I picked today was the professional grade microfiber towel. The reason why I went the professional grade microfiber towel is because it has a dual pile and it also has silk line banding on it. Now one, it's going to reduce scratches and swirls, and two, it has a multi-use purpose. With the short pile, I am eligible to remove waxes, glazes, sealants away from the paint. Compared to the long hair pile size, this is when I like to use my quick detail spray or waterless wash. But before anything, whenever you use a microfiber towel from us, we always recommend removing the tag. If you leave the tag on here, it might cause scratches and swirls. So how do you remove it? Just put your finger through it, pull, store this away. So anyways, let's get right into cleaning. So I'll set up my towel to the long pile side and I'll put this off to the side. And now let's grab our Swift-Wipe Waterless Car Wash. So Swift-Wipe Waterless Car Wash works on every single color car. It also works on many different types of surface around your entire car. So it works on your paint, on your glass, on your headlights, on your wheels. So I guess you get a full cycle wash using zero water, whether you live in an apartment or you don't have access to water, you're limited to water. Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash has you covered. You'll go to the surface of the vehicle and you'll spray it directly onto it. And what I like to do is I like to actually let it absorb and dwell on the surface of the paint before I get a microfiber towel, just so I could allow the lubricant to get all the dirt, grime, debris and start encapsulate it. So whenever I glide my microfiber towel across the surface of the paint, it will not scratch. So how do you actually use a waterless wash? It's very simple. Step number one you want to avoid is going in circular motions. If you do go in circular motions, you have a chance of getting dirt, grime, debris stuck onto the fibers, and over time, if you just keep going in circles, you might cause scratches and swirls. So now that Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash has been sitting on the surface of the paint, I'll grab my microfiber towel and I will wipe in one direction, rolling it to create a clean edge. So if I show you guys can see how much dirt and filth is actually sitting on this car, and you guys might see a haze still on the paint. That is because it has a synthetic sealant in it, and it's also going to protect it. So once I wipe one direction, I'll grab my microfiber towel, flip it over to the other side, and you guys can see all that dirt, debris come off. I'll flip it over to the clean side where the short pile is at, and I'll just buff off the residue left behind from Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash. So Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash, like I told you guys, is a full cycle wash. That one is going to remove dirt, grime, debris away from the surface of the vehicle, but it's also going to leave protection behind. So I'll flip over to the long hair side and I'll just spray a little bit more onto this side. And then I'll grab my microfiber towel and I'll wipe in one direction once again, just so I can remove all the dirt and filth away from the surface of the vehicle. So the next question I know it's going to be dropped in the comments down below, can you apply a wax or a sealant right after Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash? And the answer is yes. If you want to enhance more shine, more protection, give it a go with a sealant or wax or even a glaze on top or even a ceramic. Like this, you get the best protection possible after using Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash. Remember, always remove tags. I'll flip over to a clean side and I grab the secondary microfiber towel just so I can make sure I remove all of the residue away from the paint. And just check out the amazing shine and reflection Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash left behind on this Hyundai. The paint is now reflective, is now more of a mirror compared to that side. It still has dirt, grime, debris, and there's no scratches and swirls on this side. So like I told you guys, Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash works on all types of surfaces. So I grab my bottle of Swift-Wipe and I actually go to the headlights. You guys can see there's bird droppings, there's bug guts on it. It also removes all of that. So I'll just grab my microfiber towel and keep this in mind. We are off-site away from the detail garage location. That is why I am going full waterless. We have no access to water, and if you're limited to water, this will be a great technique for you to wash your car at home. Just spray and wipe. So I'll grab my microfiber towel and just buff off any leftover product. And you guys can see Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash did an amazing job at removing the bug gut while enhancing the shine and reflection on your paint. And you can use it all over your car. So you can use it on your wheels, your glass, your headlights, your grills, your chrome, your metal, and so on. So anyways, guys, I have a whole car to clean. I'll be giving you guys an amazing montage on how to actually use Swift-Wipe Waterless Wash and what surface you can use it on. If you want to pick up your bottle of Swift-Wipe today, you can hop onto our website on chemicalguys.com or stop by your local detail garage. I recommend you do so. It's a detailer's paradise. We have over 85 detail garage locations across the globe, including Canada and UK. As always, I'm Henry, and thank you for sharing your passion for shine with Chemical Guys.